On Saturday, April 28, 2018, the TCM Organization for the United Nations held a seminar for the Internationalization of Chinese Medicine. The seminar was held at the Hilton Hotel in San Gabriel, California, from 10:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. The primary organizer of this seminar was the TCM Organization for the United Nations. The event had two co-organizers as well: China High-Tech Industry Research Association and America Trade Development Council. Supporters of the seminar included China Health Industry Fund, China Medical and Healthcare Development Foundation, China Health Promotion Foundation, Health Industry Standards Committee of the China Strategic and Management Research Association. Additional sponsors were also present at the event. More than 60 Chinese and American experts, scholars, associations, Chinese medicine companies, TCM practitioners, special guests, and general public members attended and benefited from the seminar. The TCM Organization for the United Nations held a seminar to promote the internationalization of Chinese medicine to accomplish the following. 1. To expand the global influence of Chinese medicine. 2. To achieve the third goal of the 2030 Sustainable Development of the United Nations, good health and well-being. In the SDG goal number 3, the United Nations states that recognizing the interdependence of health and development, the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, provide an ambitious, comprehensive plan of action for people, planet, and prosperity, and for ending the injustices that underpin poor health and development outcomes. SDG 3 aspires to ensure health and well-being for all, including a bold commitment to end the epidemics of AIDS, tuberculosis, malaria, and other communicable diseases by 2030. It also aims to achieve universal health coverage and provide access to safe and effective medicines and vaccines for all. Supporting research and development for vaccines is an essential part of this process, as well as expanding access to affordable medicines. Promoting health and well-being is one of 17 global goals that make up the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. An integrated approach is crucial for progress across the multiple goals. The third goal of this seminar was to implement the purpose of the TCM Organization for the United Nations, which is promote Chinese medicine worldwide and provide human beings throughout the world an opportunity to experience the good health benefits of Chinese medicine. Additionally, goals for the seminar were to carry out the inheritance and innovation of Chinese medicine throughout the world, to promote the development, acceptance, and legalization of Chinese medicine throughout the world, to help more people in the world to understand and accept the science of Chinese medicine, to strive to improve Chinese medicine so it serves all of humanity. Everyone in attendance at the seminar is encouraged to contribute their ideas and suggestions to accomplish the seminar's goals. Each person is asked to join as an active participant and promoter for the internationalization of Chinese medicine. The seminar is pleased to have the support of numerous special guests or their representatives. U.S. Congresswoman Judy Chu, U.S. Congressman Juan Vargas, former U.S. Congresswoman Loretta Sanchez, current member of the Los Angeles County Board of Supervisors, District 1, Hilda Solis, member of the Imperial County Board of Supervisors, District 5, Raymond Castillo, past president for National Association of Counties and former Sonoma County Supervisor, Valerie Brown, chairman of America Trade Development Council, former president for California Counties and former Imperial County Supervisor, Gary Wyatt, president of the Imperial Valley Economic Development Council, president of CalEd, California Economic Development, chief representative for California Free Trade Zones, Tim Kelly, candidate for California State Senator and former California legislator Mike Ng. And from the California cities of Los Angeles, El Centro, Calexico, Montebello, Pico Rivera, Downey, San Gabriel, and Alhambra, mayors and councilmen attended this meeting. Dr. Stephen Smith, director of KCS Health Center, Buena Park. Congresswoman and Congressional Democratic leader Nancy Pelosi, congratulations to all those attending the inaugural event for the Traditional Chinese Medicine Organization for the United States, TCM. With extraordinary leadership and service from organizations like yours, patients will get better care, doctors will have better tools for treatment, and future generations of researchers will gain a critical building block for the next wave of discovery. Together, we will continue to advocate for the resources needed to create a better world by supporting the Sustainable Development Goals. Congratulations again, and thank you for your dedication to promoting Chinese medicine. Best regards, Nancy Pelosi, Democratic Leader, U.S. Congress. In addition to this letter, we received a letter of support and recommendation by U.S. Congressman and Chairman of the Congressional Foreign Affairs Committee, Ed Royce. Congressman Royce states, Dear TCMOUN, I am pleased to offer my greetings and best wishes to all those attending the inaugural event for the Traditional Chinese Medicine Organization for the United Nations, TCMOUN. This event should prove to be a wonderful opportunity to celebrate TCMOUN's achievements. I commend your dedication to exploring and promoting technological innovation and education in the field of Chinese medicine. Your efforts uphold a tradition and mission of promoting Chinese medicine, supporting healthier lifestyles, and working towards the Sustainable Development Goals as set by the United Nations. I would like to thank all those who have helped organize this event. Congratulations, and I wish you continued success in your future endeavors. Sincerely, Ed Royce, Member of Congress, Chairman, House of Foreign Affairs Committee. In addition to these two letters, we were pleased to receive a letter of recognition from the City of Los Angeles to Dr. Li Jitao. In recognition of your service to the people of Los Angeles, your dedication of heart and hand to the needs of friends, neighbors, and fellow members of our society, this certificate is a measure of your devotion and service to the people. Presented to Mr. Li Jitao, April 28, 2018, by Jose Huizar. Media support for this event was provided by the following: CCTV, Phoenix, North America Chinese Channel; Beijing Satellite TV, American Multimedia Television USA, AMTV; HTTV USA, Pakvia TV; U.S. National TV, USN TV; Channel 8 GETV, Shun Restaurant Media, Global News, New Times TV, Dongxin Satellite TV, Satellite TV China, Zhongwang TV, U.S. China Satellite Television, U.S. News Agency, People's Daily Overseas Edition, World Journal, Tsingtao Daily, The China Press, Global Times, China Daily, Taiwan Times, International Daily, U.S. News Express, City Journal, Asian Times, and other media. Presentations were made by several prominent China and U.S.-based TCM doctors and practitioners. Some of the presenters have spent 30 to 40 years working in various aspects of Chinese medicine in China and the U.S. Each of the presenters brought a unique perspective and spoke of their work in Chinese medicine and their experience in bringing new benefits to people throughout their service area. They expressed their support for the efforts and goals of the TCM Organization for the United Nations and the Internationalization of Chinese Medicine. They support goal number 3 of the United Nations Sustainable Development as well. The keynote speech of the seminar was delivered by Dr. Li Jitao, President and founder of TCM Organization for the United Nations. The subject of Dr. Li's presentation was the internationalization of Chinese medicine. The first point of his presentation was the importance and value of promoting TCM education worldwide. Education is believed to be one of the primary tools to accomplish the goal of internationalizing Chinese medicine. He expressed the goal of opening a college or university soon that would begin to create TCM educational opportunities for new students. A great need for an expanded force of educated medical personnel, doctors, technicians, and TCM professionals will be key to bringing Chinese medicine to more people throughout the world. The second point of Dr. Li's presentation was the promotion of Chinese medicine hospitals and clinics worldwide. In order to serve all humanity and to improve the health of humans worldwide, it is critical that more facilities are made available throughout the world for treatment. Accessibility is very important to provide people throughout the world the opportunity to benefit from Chinese medicine. Dr. Li called for the creation of 10,000 hospitals, clinics, and treatment facilities worldwide. He recognized this goal will take considerable time at a considerable cost to realize, but he emphasized the need to begin the massive undertaking as soon as possible. Dr. Li's third point was the promotion of Chinese medicine worldwide. Dr. Li recognized the value and existence of other medicines and medical practice, but stated that the addition and expansion of Chinese medicine will bring new medical alternatives and new beneficial outcomes for people throughout the world. Many people are not experiencing the success they want from their current medical resources and are ready to consider alternative medicines and medical practices. The need to internationalize Chinese medicine and provide new alternatives for people throughout the world has never been greater. The fourth point made by Dr. Li focused on the inheritance and innovation of traditional Chinese medicine. The need to standardize Chinese medicine and to continually seek improvement of Chinese medicine and practices and part of internationalizing Chinese medicine. Dr. Li completed his presentation by discussing the World Strategy and Development Program by the TCM Organization for the United Nations. The scope of the program is significant and aggressive. The program is in complete support of SDG Goal number 3 for the United Nations. It will take many years to realize, but it is more important than ever that this program begins now. Bringing together the various current Chinese medicine practitioners and efforts will be a huge task, but now is the time to begin it. Together we can bring greater benefits to more people. He emphasized again that the world would receive a significant benefit from the internationalization of Chinese medicine. People in need of medical answers will have new alternatives, new treatments, and new medicines available to provide better medical outcomes. The third goal of the Sustainable Development of the United Nations, SDG 3, is good health and well-being. It would be more possible for people of the world through the internationalization of Chinese medicine. Dr. Li offered his thanks and appreciation for the participation of more than 60 TCM professionals in this seminar by TCM Organization for the United Nations.